CIET NCERT presents Audiobook MATHMAGIC Book 2 Textbook of Mathematics for Class 2. Chapter 5 Patterns from Mathematics Textbook for Class 2 titled MATHMAGIC. Page number 30. Patterns. Binny and Ginny were going home. On the way, they saw some people making the pavement. The tiles used were of different colors and designs. This is what they saw.
Picture 1 shows tiles of two shapes having different design and colors, arranged to make beautiful repetitive design on the pavement. Tile 1 and tile 2 fit into each other like pieces of a puzzle.
On reaching home, they saw their mother's sari hanging on a rope. It also had a nice design with different colors.
Picture 2 shows two girls standing at two corners of a sari hanging on a clothesline and watching the pattern on it. The pattern on the borders consists of green leaves pointing in upwards and downward direction and yellow color dots.
Page number 31.
The story of Binny and Ginny continues on this page. Let's begin reading this page.
In the evening, they were playing in a park. They saw iron grills on the boundary wall.
Picture 1 shows a boundary wall with pattern of iron grill made of curved iron rods with small spiral at both ends. Two iron rods are joined in standing line in a manner that a big fish-shaped hole is created at the center and the ends of the rods curling to make spiral are joined from top and bottom. At the bottom of this grill, a wall with two rows of bricks is visible.
Looking at the grills, Binny said,
"These same grills make a different pattern in our windows at home."
The picture shows a window with grills using the same iron rod as in the park, but arranged in sleeping lines instead of standing lines.
We see many such patterns around us on tiles, clothes, durries.
Question 1. Bholu rat has eaten a part of the shawl of Binny's mother. Look at the picture and help Binny in matching which piece is of the same pattern.
This picture shows a red shawl with a pattern of big diamond made of 4 small yellow squares, eaten by a rat from one corner. On the right side of the shawl, 4 corner pieces with different pattern are shown as options to choose the right answer. First corner piece has small yellow pieces arranged in rows. Second corner piece has small yellow squares arranged in rows, but squares in row 2 are placed in between the spaces of squares of row 1. Third corner piece has pattern of small yellow squares arranged in slanted line. The fourth corner piece has a pattern made from 4 small yellow squares arranged in diamond shape.
Page number 32. This page has questions continued from the previous page. Let's begin reading this page.
Question 2. Madhav wants to make a pattern on a gate using an iron rod with curved hands towards the base and square with curved sides at the top. Can you guess which of these cannot be formed with this?
The picture shows 5 patterns. In pattern 1, the rods are arranged in standing line. In pattern 2, the rods are arranged in standing lines, but head of rod 1 is downwards and head of rod 2 is upwards. Rod 3 head is downwards and rod 4 head is upwards, and so on.
In pattern 3, the iron rods have only one curved hand and the rest of the design of rod is same. These rods are arranged in sleeping line. Rod 1 has head point at right side. Head of rod 2 and 3 are joined together and is pointing at the right side. Head of rod 4 is pointing at the left side.
In pattern 4, two rods join at the center, making a plus sign. The rods do not have the curved hands. 4 such plus signs are used to make the final pattern by keeping the one plus sign each at the top, bottom, left side and right side in such a manner that they all are connected at the center.
Pattern 5 is made from iron rods used in pattern 1. 4 iron rods are placed with their heads pointing upwards, downwards, left side and right side in a manner that the hands of 2 rods are joined to make a heart shape.
Question 2. Fill up the blank boxes to complete the pattern.
The picture shows a table with 5 rows of 7 boxes. All the boxes in first 2 rows are filled as example. Let's begin reading the table row-wise.
Row 1 pattern is made of 2 boxes placed alternatively. Each box is square in shape. Box 1 is purple in color. Box 2 is yellow in color. The pattern reads as box 1, box 2, box 1, box 2, box 1, box 2, box 1. Row 2 pattern is made of 2 boxes placed alternatively. Each box is square in shape. Box 1 is divided into 2 triangles by drawing a line from top left corner to bottom right corner. Box 2 is divided into 2 triangles by drawing a line from top right corner to bottom left corner. In both the boxes, the upper triangle is green and bottom triangle is yellow. The pattern reads as box 1, box 2, box 1, box 2, box 1, box 2, box 1.
Row 3. Row 3 pattern is same as row 1 and reads as box 1, purple color, box 2, yellow color, box 3, purple color. After box 3, there are 4 blank boxes.
Row 4 repeats pattern of row 2 and reads as box 1, box 2, box 1 lower yellow triangle, upper triangle blank. After this, there are 4 blank boxes.
Row 5. Row 5 has pattern of first row and reads as
box 1 purple color, and then we have 6 blank boxes. Now you have to fill up the blank boxes as per their pattern.
Page number 33. Leafy patterns. This page shows 5 different kinds of patterns made by using same kind of leaf. Let's begin reading this page.
Using one leaf, we can make different patterns. There are 5 leafy patterns on this page. Pattern 1. The stem of leaf is arranged as pointing at the bottom or stem pointing at the top alternatively. The pattern reads as bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom.
Pattern 2. The stem of leaf is arranged as pointing at the bottom or stem pointing at the left side alternatively. The pattern reads as bottom, left, bottom, left, bottom.
Pattern 3. The leaves are arranged in slanting line with the stem of leaf pointing at the top or stem pointing at the bottom alternatively. The pattern reads as top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom.
Pattern 4. This pattern repeats arrangement of 2 leaves. The 2 leaves are arranged in sleeping line with the stems of 2 leaves placed facing each other and almost touching the other leaf. The The pattern is made with 3 pairs of such leaves.
Pattern 5. This pattern repeats 2 types of arrangement of 2 leaves. In arrangement 1, both leaves are placed in slanting line with the stems of leaves pointing upwards. In arrangement 2, both leaves are placed in slanting line with the stems of leaves pointing downwards. The pattern reads as arrangement 1, arrangement 2, arrangement 1.
Question. Now, you also make some patterns with arrows in your notebook.
Page number 34. Look at the patterns and fill up the boxes.
Pattern 1. Box 1, red circle. Box 2, yellow square. Box 3, red circle. And box 4, yellow square. Box 5, 6, 7 and 8 are blank.
Pattern 2. Box 1, arrow pointing upwards. Box 2, arrow pointing upwards. Box 3, arrow pointing upwards. And box 4, arrow pointing upwards. Box 5, 6, 7 and 8 are blank.
Pattern 3. Box 1, small red circle at the top left corner. Box 2, another small red circle added at the center to make 2 circles in the box. Box 3, another small red circle added at the bottom right corner to make 3 circles in the box. And box 4, small red circle at the top left corner. Box 5, 6, 7 and 8 are blank.
Pattern 4. Box 1, red and blue arrow placed side by side pointing upwards. Box 2, red and blue arrow placed side by side pointing downwards. Box 3, red and blue arrow placed side by side pointing upwards. Box 4, red and blue arrow placed side by side pointing downwards. Box 5, 6, 7 and 8 are blank boxes.
Pattern 5. Box 1, green triangle pointing downwards. Box 2, pair of small purple circles kept side by side. Box 3, green triangle pointing upwards. Box 4, pair of small purple circles kept side by side. Box 5, 6, 7 and 8 are blank.
Pattern 6. Box 1, brown color rectangle. Box 2, upper yellow triangle and bottom brown triangle making a rectangle. Box 3, brown color rectangle. Box 4, upper yellow triangle and bottom brown triangle making a rectangle. Boxes 5, 6, 7 and 8 are blank.
Pattern 7. Box 1, half circle with curved side up. Box 2, half circle with curved side down. Box 3, half circle with curved side up. Box 4, half circle with curved side down. Box 5, box 6, box 7 and box 8 are blank.
Now you also make patterns using different shapes and show them to your friends.
Page number 35. Number patterns. This page presents 4 patterns made with numbers. Each pattern has some blanks that you need to fill. Let's begin reading this page pattern-wise.
Pattern A. 1, 3, 5, 7, dash. The numbers are written on triangle-shaped flags, one on each flag, joined together with thread.
Pattern B. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, dash. The numbers are written on grills made with straight iron rods arranged in standing lines and curved rods placed in sleeping line.
Pattern C. 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, dash. The numbers are written on lotus leaves, one number on one leaf, pointing upwards and downwards alternatively.
Pattern D. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, dash, 40, dash, 50, dash. The numbers are written at the center of orange and purple flowers arranged alternatively.
Footnote. Encourage children to identify the patterns. Discuss with them various other possible number patterns.
Page number 36. Question 1. T2 frog jumps over two numbers and reaches the third number. Where will T2 go next? Make a ring on the other numbers.
The picture shows a ribbon divided into boxes. Each box has a number and the ribbon is arranged to look like a wave with up and down curves. T2 frog is jumping from circled number 6. The ribbon has numbers from 1 to 25 with number 3 and 6 circled in their boxes.
Question 2. T2 jumps and gets on every 10th stone. Write the numbers on the stones.
The picture shows 7 stones in the river and T2 jumping from 3rd stone and landing on 4th stone. The small 10 stones are not shown in the picture, but there is a curved line joining 2 stones with plus 10 written inside curve, indicating that the distance between the 2 stones is equal to 10 stones. The numbers on the stones read as
Stone 1, dash. Stone 2, 28. Stone 3, 38. Stone 4, dash. Stone 5, dash. Stone 6, dash. Stone 7, dash.
page number 37. Read and write what comes next. There is a table with 16 rows and 8 columns. Each row has a pattern. Let's read the table row-wise.
Row 1. Box 1. Capital A, A. Box 2. Capital B, B. Box 3. Capital C, C. Box 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are blank.
Row 2. Box 1. Capital AB. Box 2. Capital CD. Box 3. Capital EF. Box 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are blank.
Row 3. Box 1. Capital DAY, day. Box 2. Capital NIGHT, night. Box 3. Capital DAY, day. Box 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are kept blank.
Row 4. Box 1. Number 1. Box 2. Number 2. Box 3. Number 1. Box 4. Number 2. Box 5, 6, 7 and 8 are blank.
Row 5. Box 1. Number 87. Box 2. Number 88. Box 3. Number 89. Box 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are blank.
Row 6. Box 1. Number 20. Box 2. Number 30. Box 3. Number 40. Box 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are blank.
Row 7. Box 1, number 19. Box 2, number 29. Box 3, number 39. Box 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are kept blank.
Row 8. Box 1, number 2. Box 2, number 5. Box 3, number 8. Box 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are blank boxes.
Row 9. Box 1, number 15. Box 2, number 20. Box 3, number 25. Box 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are blank.
Row 10. Box 1, number 18. Box 2, number 21. Box 3, number 24. Box 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are blank.
Row 11. Box 1, number 52. Box 2, number 54. Box 3, number 56. Box 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are kept blank.
Row 12. Box 1, number 5, capital P. Box 2, number 6, capital Q. Box 3, number 7, capital R. Box 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are blank.
Row 13. Box 1, number 85. Box 2, number 75. Box 3, number 65. Box 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are blank.
Row 14. Box 1, number 55. Box 2, number 50. Box 3, number 45. Box 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are blank.
Row 15. Box 1, number 20. Box 2, number 19. Box 3, number 18. Box 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are blank.
Row 16. Box 1, number 40. Box 2, number 38. Box 3, number 36. Box 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are blank.
Page number 38. Kitu has made some patterns by collecting leaves.
The picture shows two patterns made by Kitu using different leaves. Pattern 1 has two types of leaves. Leaf 1 is like a thin, curvy line, and leaf 2 is thick leaf with stem. The pattern 1 reads as leaf 1, leaf 2 with stem down, leaf 1 placed to make a downward curve, leaf 2 stem up, leaf 1 making upward curve, leaf 2 with stem down, leaf 1 placed to make a downward curve, leaf 2 stem up, leaf 1 making upward curve, leaf 2 with stem down, leaf 1 placed to make a downward curve.
Pattern 2 is made from thick leaves with stem. 4 leaves are arranged to make a diamond with stems at the center. The leaves are placed facing left, right, top and bottom. The pattern shows 4 leaves arranged in the form of a diamond placed side by side, little above and below alternatively.
Now, you also collect some leaves and arrange them in different patterns. Also draw patterns using matchsticks. There is empty space provided to draw your patterns.
Footnote: Teachers should encourage the children to clean their classroom after the activity. This chapter ends here.